Now let us list the prime factors of 21. The first step is to get the factors of 21. And we do this by finding numbers that multiply into each other to give us 21. We have 1 multiplied by 21. We have 3 multiplied by 7 to give us 21. Now, these are the numbers that multiply into each other to give us 21. Now, from this, we can say that the factors of 21 are as follows. Factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7, and 21. Now, out of these factors, which of them are prime numbers? Prime factors of 21. We have 3 and then 7. Now, some students often confuse 1 as a prime number. You need to understand that 1 does not sufficiently fill up every requirement in the definition of a prime number. For a number to be a prime number, it has to be divisible by 2 different factors, which are 1 and itself. But for the number 1, it is only divisible by itself, so it is not a prime number. There you have it. We can now find out prime factors of any numbers. Try this with as many numbers as you can around you. Thank you.